Tenth class mathematics trigonometry. In the previous video, I have explained 1 to 4 questions in the 11.1 exercise. Now I am going to explain question number 5. Given if 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A and cos A. Given 3 tan A is equal to 4. So 3 is multiplying here, you take right side, it is divided. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. We have the formula, tan A formula is opposite side by adjacent side is equal to 4 by 3. Here you take one triangle A, B, C. So B is the right angle. He was given tan angle with respect to A. So angle with respect to A means this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse. Now opposite side by adjacent side is equal to 4 by 3. So opposite side is 4. Adjacent side is 3. This side AB. AB is 3. BC is 4. AC is needed. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is needed. AB square is equal to AB is 3 square, BC is 4. This is 3 square is 9, 4 square is 4 4 the 16. Total is 25. Then AC is equal to square, you take right side under root of 25. Root 25 is 5 units. So hypotenuse is 5. Now what we needed means sin A and cos A. Sin A formula, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. BC is equal to 4, AC is equal to 5. 4 by 5 is the answer. Similarly, cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent side is equal to 3, hypotenuse is equal to 5. 3 by 5. So therefore sin A is equal to 4 by 5 and cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Question number 6. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles, means less than 90 degrees, such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. So answer is, first you draw the two triangles, ABC, one triangle with acute angle A, X, Y, Z is the another triangle with acute angle X. Here it is, this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, this is the hypotenuse. Here it is, angle X means this is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. Now given cos A is equal to cos X. Cos A is equal to cos X. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here is also adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side by hypotenuse means first triangle AB by cos A means AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to, here it is adjacent side means XY by XZ. This is corresponding sides ratio is equal. Here corresponding sides ratio is equal. Therefore corresponding angles also equal. So here it is angle A is equal to angle X. Here corresponding side, base is equal to base and hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse. If these two are equal, this third side is also equal. So therefore angle A is equal to angle X. Question number 7. Given cot theta is equal to 7/8, then evaluate first bit 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second bit 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So now answer is, given cot theta is equal to 7/8. Cot theta formula, adjacent side by opposite side, is equal to 7/8. Now you draw the one triangle ABC. In this angle is theta, you take as A. So here it is AB is the adjacent side, BC is the opposite side, AC is the hypotenuse. So adjacent side is 7, here you take 7K, BC, AB. Opposite side is 8, BC you take 8K. So let it AB is equal to 7K, BC is equal to 8K, where K is any number. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Here AC is required, AC square, AB square is 7K square, BC square is 8K square, 7 square is 49K square, 8 square is 8 8 is 64K square. So 49 plus 64, 100, 113K square. Therefore AC is equal to under root of 113K square is equal to root 113 into K. Root 113 into K. Square and root cancel, you get it K. This is hypotenuse value under root 113K. Now in the first bit, sin theta cos theta is there. First you find out sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. BC is 8K, AC is under root 113K. K get cancelled, 8 by root 113. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by AC. This is equal to AB is 7K, hypotenuse is root 113K. K get cancelled, 7 by root 113. So sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113. Cos theta is equal to 7 by root 113. Now you take the first bit, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. First bit 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square by a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 minus sin theta means 8 by root 113, 8 by root 113 whole square by 1 square is 1 minus cos theta means 7 by root 113 whole square is equal to 1 is 1 minus 8 square is 8 8 is 64, square and root cancel 113. Here it is 1 minus 7 square is 49 by square and root cancel it is 113. Now LCM 113 into 1, 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 into 1, 113 minus 49 by 113. 113 cancel. So 113 minus 64 is equal to 49 by 113 minus 49 is equal to 64. This is the answer. For second bit, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta value is, sin theta is equal to 8 by root 113 by cos theta is equal to 7 by root 113 is equal to root 113 into 1, root 113 plus 8 by root 113. So here it is 7 by root 113. Root 113 cancel, under root of 113 plus 8 by 7. This is the answer for second bit. Last question in this exercise, question number 8. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3, then find the value of first bit is given sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second bit is given cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So answer is given tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A formula is opposite side by adjacent side. So this one you take it root 3 by 1. Opposite side in this triangle ABC, BC is the opposite side, AB is the adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse with respect to A. So here it is BC is the opposite side, BC by AB is the adjacent side is equal to root 3k by 1k. K is the any number. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC we don't know. AC square is equal to AB square is k square plus BC square is root 3k whole square. This is equal to k square plus root 3 square is 3, k square is k square. K square plus 3k square is 4k square. Here AC is equal to under root of 4k square. Root 4 is 2, k square is k. So hypotenuse is 2k. Now here in the question is given sine with respect of angle A, sine cos with respect of angle C. With respect of angle C means this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. With respect of angle A means BC is the opposite side, AB is the adjacent side, AC is the hypotenuse. So that's you remember in mind and do the problem. You solve the problem. Here you see first bit sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. In this case sin A means opposite, sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin A with respect to opposite by hypotenuse, BC by AC, BC by AC into cos C. Cos C means with respect of C. Cos C formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is also BC by AC, BC by AC plus cos A. Cos A means with respect of angle A. So adjacent side by hypotenuse, AB by AC into sin C. Sin C means with respect of angle C, opposite side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Don't confuse, just leisurely solve the problem. This is equal to BC value, we know that root 3k by AC value, we know that 2k into again BC by AC, root 3k by 2k plus AB by AC, that is k by 2k into similarly AB by AC, k by 2k. This is k, all k's are cancelled. Here it is root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4. So LCM is 4, 3 plus 1. This is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1 is the solution. Now bit number 2, cos A cos C minus sin A into sin C. This is equal to cos A means with respect of angle A, adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC into cos C. Cos C means this one, adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC minus sin A. Sin A means with respect of angle A, that is opposite side by BC by AC. BC by AC into sin C means with respect of angle C, that is opposite side AB by AC. Now you write the AB value. AB value is K, AC value is 2K into BC value is root 3K, AC value is 2K minus BC value is root 3K by AC value is 2K into AB value is K by AC value is 2K. All K's are cancelled. Here it is 1 into root 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 2s are 4. These two are cancelled. It is equal to 0. This answer is 0. Exercise is completed. In the next video we have to solve the 11.2 exercise.